hot out here, but we're doing some work. We're getting it done this week.
What's up, guys? We're here at this place called E27. We just found it. Look at this. I mean, this looks like some great food. Guys, I need to get some steps in because I just ate not a ton of food.
Where are we going? Are you excited?
Yeah!
What are we going to do?
Going on vacation!
You guys have a good day. Have a good week. Send good vibes to everybody you love or everybody that's part of your life. Just send good vibes because this world is going crazy. It's very sad and it's not very American-like, USA-like. It's just some evil things going on. It shouldn't be like that. You just gotta spread good love. What is going on, everybody? We are out here playing some soccer, having some fun. And yeah, we're just, I mean, it's a great time. Carter's playing some soccer. He's a little rusty. We just got to spray a little bit of WD-40 on it, and maybe he'll get unrusty. But he's doing pretty good. He plays competitive soccer. Yeah, that we found here, and we definitely love it. It's a great team, and we got a lot in store with these guys. Like a lot of places we're gonna go to, a lot of things we're gonna do, and yeah. So if you guys want to follow that along on our journey of what we're doing and where we are, hit that like, subscribe, show all your friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys on the next one.
That was like, no, what? Don't look at me.
Mama, I love you. Hello. Hello.
Stop.
Hello.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday here. Heading to work at Big Beard Batter. Got some builds going on. So if you guys want to tune into that, hit that follow button because I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Pick you guys up a little bit more at work. Just show you guys around. That way, if you guys are interested, you could come check it out for yourself and get that solar put on, so you could get out and boondock a little bit and save yourself some money in the long run, and yeah, rely on your own power. And then when it's your own power and you install it, you kind of know where everything is, and if you have to troubleshoot, you call Todd up or whatever, and he'll walk you through different steps of the way and processes, how to get things back or whatever is going on, you know, because everything has problems. Nothing is ever nothing is never problem free. You could go to the dealership and buy the brand newest 2026 anything. I don't care what it is. You could get 5 miles down the road and it takes a turd. It's happened. And if you guys don't know that, we put about, I knew there was a problem with our Chevy when we drove it off the lot. I brought it right back, and they said, oh, it's just learning. The transmission's just learning. But no, it's not just me having the problem. It's all of you guys as well that are having the problem with the Chevys, the Dodges, the Fords, and so no matter which way you go, you'll always have problems. But here at Big Beard Battery, they help you get it fixed, and within days, minutes, whatever, you know. They take the best, like they take care of the clients very, very well. Like I said in our last previous videos, they want you guys to be a part of the family, the Big Beard family. And let me just tell you, it's like a blessing to be a part of the family and just see how things are working and how things are going and everything. It's just awesome. And so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We got a little bit of a work day. It's day one of the install, so we'll be mapping out where their panels will be going, inverters, the batteries, all that extra goodies that you're getting added are gonna go. It adds a little bit of weight, but it is worth it. And like I said, when we do to finally pull the trigger on that Brinkley, and we find that one, or we reach out to them, whatever it is, you know, to Brinkley. And that's what we're going to do this week. We're going to reach out to Brinkley, see if we can switch out the couch. If we buy just a G3970 that we see, if they are willing to switch out the couch or how that works, I'm just excited. I mean, and I'm very grateful and blessed. We got a lot of things going on. Yeah. So come along with me. We'll get there. You guys have a good day. Have a good week. Send good vibes to everybody you love, or everybody that's a part of your life. Just send good vibes, because this world is going crazy, and it's very sad, and it's not very American-like, USA-like. It's there's just some evil things going on. It shouldn't be like that. And you just got to spread good love, and be happy. And I mean, you don't even got to go out and talk to people like crazy, but hey, just be nice to people you do talk to and people that you see, and try and make this world a better place. So until then, let's take this ride, drive along down the road, and have a good week. And if you're watching this, I love you, babe. Thank you for always supporting me and my crazy ideas. And yeah, you're truly a blessing, and I love you, and miss you bunches already. I've had a couple weeks off, so I've been home with her and the kids, and it's been a blessing. It's just it's awesome. It's cool to be able to spend time with your family and do things and go adventure and have fun. But yeah, we're gonna get back on this drive. See you guys.
What's up, Houston?
What up, Kay?
Long time no see.
What have you been up to?
I don't know.
Working, slaving away, building batteries.
It's hot out here, but we're doing some work. We're getting it done this week. It's Monday, so it's a busy week.
Cheese to mommy.
You got your bib on? Are you gonna eat some crab?
Check it out, guys. We're here at this place called E27. We just found it. Look at this. I mean, this looks like some great food. We're gonna try it out. You guys always eat first, and then we take you guys everywhere with us. There's a lot going on. It's a clinic week, and I'm busy, so we're having some fun this week.
A midweek break.
This is like a little hump day break, so we're gonna grab some food, chow down, take you guys along with us. Until then, like, subscribe, share, our friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button. Catch you later.
Do you have anything to say, Connor?
These gloves are too massive.
Look at the mark. Margie. Oh, what do you want to say? You gonna eat a wing? What are you eating? You got french fries and wings? That thing looks good, dude.
Guys, I need to get some steps in because I just ate not a ton of food and it was delicious. We're here at Pier 7 and pretty close to Dallas. And this place is amazing. Come check it out. Give them a like.
Was that the phase road walk?
Oh! Yo, that's the Huston walk. So like, or rolling with the Sanchez walk. That's rolling with Sanchez walk. This place is a 10 out of 10. The customer service is great. We had a great server. And yeah, this food was amazing. And it wasn't expensive. And we got like a pound. Me and Carter got the couple meal because we're a couple when we got to eat.
Okay. So you guys both like spicy food.
We like spicy food. So me and Carter, it's easier for me and Carter to order together and get that couple meal because we get double the food for the same price, right? So, and me and Carter are spicy. I used to handle a lot of spicy, but now that I'm getting a little bit older, spicy really isn't my thing too much. But Carter, I could put $100 and he could eat anything spicy. So if you guys want to challenge him, drop that in the comments down below, and we'll challenge.
Get us to 10K subscribers.
Yeah,
Ooh.
and we're getting there. I mean, we're at.
Did you know what he said?
What's that?
He said, get us to 10K subscribers and he'll do a spicy chip challenge.
Okay, guys, you heard it right here today. October 1. It's October 1st right now. Carter just said if you guys get us to 10K subscribers, that he will do a spicy challenge. Whatever it is, you guys drop that.
Chip.
Spicy chip, spicy sauce. I mean, no matter what it is, Carter could eat it. And he has like, I don't know, I've seen him eat some hot stuff, and he like has nothing. Like it burns him a little bit, but he doesn't let you see that. So, drop a like, comment, subscribe. And we're currently 16 weeks? 15. Next week will be 16. So we're at 15 weeks right now. And I'm excited. And we're going to do a members only video. So you guys can subscribe, become a member.
You have to join our membership.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Join our membership. And yeah, we're going to do a live stream for the members only when we are ready to reveal the gender of the baby. And right now, we have no idea. Just like you guys, we have no idea. And that's another story in itself.
We don't know if there's twins, triplets, nothing.
No, we really don't. And that's what sucks. I mean, it sucks. So when you're in a big city, it's all rainbows or pineapples and flamingos. It's really not. And traveling sometimes kind of puts you in a bind where it freaks you. Because the Dallas VA is not very good. That's another story. So we're going to do a members only video. When we do find out, we're going to let you guys find out. Because you guys are a part of our family. Because you are here with Rolling with Sanchezs. And we appreciate everything you guys do. Every comment, like. And thanks for all of your support. Until then, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow's day 4 of the solar clinic for Big Beard Battery. You know who I work for. It's an amazing company. And I have fun. I love meeting new people. If you guys want to go check them out, they're at the bottom of our YouTube page. So go check them out. Give them a like. Show them some love. And if you guys want some solar or some batteries or anything, or you are thinking about the solar, go over to Big Beard Battery. Check them out, and you will get connected with them pretty quick. They'll reach out to you, and even if you want to do your own system, they will design the system for you. And you guys could do it here, there, or anywhere, right? I mean, and that's like my buddy Flo. They have a company. So they did Big Beard batteries on a boat, like a sailboat, or I don't even know what kind of boat it is. And it was a pretty cool build. So if you guys want to build anything, put some batteries, some solar, meet Todd and Stephanie. Go check them out. Give them a like. And show them some love. Because they're growing. They are growing. And I'm happy to be a part of their team. And, you know, we're growing too. We're adding one more.
Where are we going?
The vacation.
Say it loud, Noni.
Vacation.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Graceland, where are we going tomorrow?
The vacation. Yeah.
How long have you been counting down the days?
Forever.
Why?
Forever. And me and Sylvia have been so inside.
What do you want to do?
Go swimming and lay down.
What are we going to do?
Go on a vacation.
But what are you going to do? What do you want to do?
I'm gonna lay down and see our room that we're gonna sleep in, and we're gonna go do some fun things. See you on the next one.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Rolling with Sanchez. We're a family of 6 and we're growing. So we're adding one more. So we're now a family of 7. So I guess I should start saying, welcome to the channel of a family of 7 that travels full time. We go from coast to coast, north to west, east to south, whatever. We'll go, yeah. Right now, we're currently stationed, because I'm working for Big Beard Battery and wrapping up another clinic with, and getting some people off the pole and down the road and enjoying their trips, whether it's to Alaska, Canada, anywhere in the U.S., because they can provide their own power, which is awesome. And I'm grateful to be a part of that and be on that adventure. But don't miss out, because we got a lot going on this week outside of Big Beer Battery, outside of our normal shenanigans. We're going on vacation. So yeah, you guys want to tune in, check that out, because we got a lot going on. We got a lot of surprises. We got a lot that you guys are gonna want to see. And if you want to become a member, do that down below, because we are going to drop that members only video, our first one. And yeah, we're gonna drop our first one probably next week, and you guys will see some crazy and get some crazy news and see some crazy things that is exclusive just to you. And yeah, I mean, we're going on a crazy adventure. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some cool things with kids and with us too, and our little family. Show you guys the exclusive sneak peek. You guys will know before we know. That's what we're gonna do for our members only video, is let you guys see before we see anything. I mean, we see it, right? But we don't see it. We're not gonna know. We're gonna drop that, and so we're gonna do that while we're on vacation, because why not? And you guys have a great, blessed week, and safe travels into the next. And if you are on the road, make sure you check twice of all your everything, just go do a double check. And safe travels to you guys, whether you're going to your winter spot, or you're just continuing to travel through the winter and you're having fun. And so from us to you, safe travels. Later.